Campaign type. In this video, we're going to go over types of campaigns. UCView has 4 types of campaigns. Normal campaign. Normal campaign is a basic distribution list where every piece of content in this campaign gets appended to all the players in the distribution list. Campaign allows you to organize a content in categories or distribution rules. Users just need to drop the content in a campaign and publish without worrying to select the location and players. As you see in the example, all pieces of content will play in the chronological order. Sequential campaign. This campaign is very powerful to dynamically change your playlist and make it unique in every loop. Sequential campaigns have any amount of content, but it will populate only one spot within the playlist. Every time the playlist reaches that spot, it will play the next content in the sequential campaign. As you see in the animation example, if you have 4 different news types you want to have on your playlist, you can put them in a sequential campaign and different news types will play every loop instead of all the news playing every loop. Change of layout campaign. Change of layout campaign. Change of layout campaign, or mini loop, is the ability to enclose the entire playlist in a different layout and trigger it in a specific spot within your playlist. The change of layout campaign will have a different look and feel, have a different zone, names, or zone amounts. When the campaign is triggered, it will play one loop and go back to the main playlist. The change of layout campaign allows you to combine multiple pieces of content and sync them for specific presentation and go back to the playlist. Event trigger campaign. Trigger or event campaign are mini playlists that can be triggered immediately or by schedule or manually. This type of campaign will play the entire campaign in a loop until manually stopped or expire the time range. Event campaign will take over the current campaign and will play until stopped. When stopped or expired, it will revert back to the main loop. To create a campaign, go to the campaign page and click New Campaign. Enter campaign name. When you create a sequential campaign or normal campaign, you will use the default layout on the player. When you create a change of layout campaign or trigger campaign, you must select layout for the campaign. Click Next. Select your distribution locations or players or group and press Save.